Loyal kay Nina.
Pero bahala ko po sana magdala.
Thank you.
Walang photocard ng site.
What's up, 18 Hong Kong? This is Justin! Good evening, everyone. Ako nga pala si Pablo. What's up? Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Let's go. Hi, everyone. It's your boy, Stel. Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Josh. SB19!
Guys, you were wrong. Today is day 1. 18 day 1, make some noise! Yeah, that's right. That's right.
That's so funny. We had day 2 first before day 1, huh?
Yeah.
It's you.
Bakit hindi niyo ako regaluhan? Dapat ko yung ano.
Oh, guys.
Usually may birthday siya yung nakaupo na sinasayaw.
Okay.
Dito ko sa gitna.
Do you really want... Gusto mo talaga yun? Ganun? Sayaw natin ka.
Kulang ako dito.
Alright. Wala ba kayo dyan? 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, you...
Alright!
Did you like our birthday gift or...
Yun yung birthday gift. Well, guys.
Guys, let me ask you some questions. I feel like it's really getting hot in here, don't you think? Really? And I feel like Hong Kong 18 doesn't know how to party. Marunong ba kayo bumarte dito? Gusto niyo ba painitin pa namin? Guys, okay lang mag-cellphone. It's okay to put up your cell phone. But at the same time, you guys enjoy the moment. Okay? And for the people at the back, how are you guys? your worth. Because your true colors will always come inside here. Our purpose and intention will always come within you.
Nandito kami, bakit ayaw kantahin?
Sample, sample.
Pwede ba namin pakinggan ulit?
Chorus part, ready? Ready? 1,
Let's go.
2, 3, sing!
They were saying, earlier you were saying, why do these people sing when we're not on stage?
Yeah. Come on, man. But we're not on stage. I'm saying the point, you know? Sing it. If I say sing it, then you sing it. Right.
We told them that you're gonna cry. Iiyak ka na, pre.
Iiyak ako, lolo. I will kneel down.
You will cry? If you cry, I will call your mom. If you cry, I will call your mom so she can take care of you.
My mom.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know if she's here.
Hello, Tita.
Because yesterday she was like, you know, like, boom, she's gone after the concert. And then everyone was looking for her. I was like, well, where's my mom? Now I know kung saan ako nagmana. That's my mom right there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Tuloy! Wow! Yes, oh? Wow! Wow! Grabe!
Wish. I already wish.
You already did it?
Yeah.
We didn't see it though.
Secret.
It's a secret?
Oh, para pag nag-fail, hindi ano na.
Any message? Any message?
Any message?
Any message, Kuya Pablo?
Maybe, just like what I told you guys earlier, I'm really blessed to be celebrating my birthday with all of you guys. I feel so much love right now. Also, no matter what era you came to know SB19, as long as you're supporting SB19 and you're giving love and your support for SB19, we really appreciated that so much. Sana lang we get bigger and bigger so we can achieve all the dreams that we have been building together. And for my 18th birthday, kanina nag-handle kami, sinabi yung edad ko, 1, 2, 3, 18! Yes! Happy 18 daw. Anyway, thank you all so much. We love you guys.